Hi everyone, it's Deanna Kangas here, Director of Voicehouse, and this week's tip of the week is how to improve pitch for beginners. So if you're new to singing and you're struggling with pitching, you'll soon realize just how important it is to learn to be on pitch before you start with more advanced techniques. Pitch is everything when it comes to singing, and for a listener, if a singer is off pitch, it can sometimes be interpreted as that singer having a bad voice, which is not necessarily true. They just need to make some adjustments to make sure they're in flow with the music. So if you struggle with your pitch, take a moment to really listen to the music. Feel the vibrations of the music and imagine yourself kind of like just another speaker. The music's being plugged into you and all you need to do is regurgitate the same thing. People who struggle with pitch tend to fight with the notes and they don't remember that pitch is actually instinctive. It's not something that we really need to think about in order to do. It's something that should flow through us naturally, purely through the process of listening and then executing. So make sure that you're using your ears as best as you can to listen to the pitch and then put it out there. And if you find this difficult, you may A, need to get your ears checked by a doctor, because if you have some hearing impairment, that might get in the way. Or B, do some ear and oral training exercises to get your ears tuned in first, and that will help you to improve your pitch. So that's this week's tip of the week. If you like this video, give it a like, share it with your friends, anyone you know who you think might find this useful. And of course, head to voicehouse.com.au if you'd like to book an introductory session with us. Best of luck with your singing, and I'll see you next week.